Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. I sit back with my friend convention. Something, cause I'm holding me tightly. Flow like a harpoon, daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn on the lights and I blow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light off the stage and wax a chump like a candle. Yeah, I can rush a speaker that booms.